Since I began talking about Wim Hof on the channel, I've had feedback from people that generally want to understand how to do his breathing methods to help them get the benefits he speaks of, as well as cope with the cold. Therefore, in this video we're going to be focused on Wim Hof's guided breathing, whereby we will cover the individual steps of his breathing technique to get the greatest benefits from them. This is also highly beneficial when done before entering a cold shower, because it's designed to help your body prepare and cope with the cold. Now, before we begin, it's worth noting that the best position to be in when following this process is to lie down or sit down, in both cases keeping your back straight. Personally, I tend to sit on the floor in a cross-legged position during the exercise. One last thing to note is you'll only need about 9 to 10 minutes to complete the exercise to do it from start to finish, so it's worth doing daily as part of your routine. So without wasting any further time, let's look into the steps to do the Wim Hof breathing technique. Step 1. Breathe in and breathe out for 30 times. Here you want to breathe in deep and back out in quick succession 30 times. Personally, I breathe in and out of my mouth for this step, as I can draw in breaths faster this way, though I've tried breathing in through the nose as well, which I find to be equally effective. This will increase adrenaline levels and may make you feel a little lightheaded towards the end, which is actually quite normal. This is because the action actually gives a similar sensation to the sense of hyperventilation, which is the reaction that stresses the body to react in a way that regulates skin temperature and be more alert. On completing this step, we move on to step 2. On the last exhalation, hold your breath in for 1 minute. At this point, try to hold your breath as long as you can, usually around 1 minute. But this can be prolonged past 1 minute if you feel comfortable doing so. On doing this, the body will start to regulate the previous activity to avoid building up the stress in the body too much. Step 3. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. At this step, you need to breathe in deep, right into your belly, and hold it for 15 seconds to get the benefits. This activity is to retain oxygen in the body and brain, but also helps you relax again following the previous activities. Step 4. Breathe in and breathe out 30 times. Here's where we start the cycle again. So just as with step 1, breathe in deep, then breathe out, and keep this going for 30 more times. As previously identified, there will be the sensation of feeling a little lightheaded and also tingling sensations, which are normal when doing this. Step 5. On the last exhalation, hold your breath in for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once exhaling for 30 breaths, try to hold your breath for 1 minute 30 seconds. It's increased from the previous cycle, and if struggling, you may need to shorten it to 1 minute again. The effects are the same as the last time. Stabilize the reaction of the body and regulate control. Step 6. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. At the end of the second cycle, breathe in deep and hold it for 15 seconds again. Again, the key here is to take in oxygen and help control your body, while at the same time preparing yourself for the third and final cycle. Step 7. Breathe in and breathe out 30 times. We're on to the last cycle now, where we start again with the 30 breaths. Again, breathe in, breathe out, and keep it going 30 times until the last exhalation. Step 8. On the last exhalation, hold the breath in for 1 minute 30 seconds. As previously mentioned, when holding your breath, try for 1 minute 30 seconds. But if you're struggling, try to reduce it to 1 minute. It might be a challenge, as while this isn't the traditional workout, the body is being pushed through these exercises. Step 9. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. For the last time, take in oxygen by holding in a deep breath for 15 seconds. I want to stress the importance of this part of the exercise, as we need to take in oxygen following the previous steps to help regulate our body and the way it reacts to the exercise. Step 10. Let your breathing normalize. The final step is to let your breathing normalize and return to your normal breathing patterns. This will reduce the stress on the body and help you relax. After completing this, stepping into a cold shower will be much easier. So, let's just have a quick refresher of the steps. Step 1. Breathe in and breathe out for 30 times. Step 2. On the last exhalation, hold your breath in for 1 minute. Step 3. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. Step 4. Breathe in and breathe out 30 times. Step 5. On the last exhalation, hold the breath in for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Step 6. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. Step 7. Breathe in and breathe out 30 times. Step 8. On the last exhalation, hold the breath in for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Step 9. Take a deep breath in and hold it for 15 seconds. And step 10. Let your breathing normalize. With this, you'll soon get the many benefits of breathing exercises, of which there are numerous that I've previously covered as part of the Wim Hof series. Be sure to check out the content in the playlist in the description below if you're interested in learning more. Do you do the Wim Hof breathing method? Let me know in the comments section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.